Sanbonani, welcome to another vlog. I was supposed to go to work today, Umariki, but has been scheduled in for radiation. So I was so happy because it means I can have time to myself. So normally on Mondays, I do not work. I do not take calls, especially work calls. I do not speak to my assistant. I am literally floating on Mondays. I don't want anybody to bother me because it is me time. No boys, no kids, no nothing. And we're going to be doing my lashes because I got myself some new lashes. I'm taking myself out. Like I said, it's a mommy date. So we normally have this misconception that once waba nomntana, automatically life stops. Ayisekho into yenzakalayo empilweni yakho. And that is the biggest misconception I feel like you need to get out of your head. If you're a mom and you're watching this, you need to get that out of your head, because the more you start believing that is the more you start going to projecting that to yourself. Iyafana lento lena nomfazi obuya emshadweni. People will be projecting and saying ukuthi uhlulekile and all of that. And it's so painful that the people that are actually projecting these kind of disgusting comments are always women. Motherhood is something that we are all doing for the first time. There's nobody that's here and saying ukuthi mina ngangumama kudala ngabo 1950 sengibuyile ngumama manje ngo 2026. No. And also parenting your kids is different. The parenting yanamhlanje ne parenting yabazali bethu, it is totally different because we are raising what? Ama 2K. They are more of independent thinkers than codependent thinkers. They are mentally independent and open-minded, these kids, and they will challenge you if you are stereotyped. I'm here to say to you, do not let yourself go for nothing. Inkinga ukuthi thina we wanna glow up to prove to a point to ama baby daddies ukuthi angiwanga Thebo, angiwanga Sibusiso, ngisesekhona. No, do it for yourself. Reality is imizimba yethu ayifani and our metabolisms are not the same, and a lot of things change after ukuthola umntana. Sometimes it takes your body a year to recover. People will be coming to my comment section, maybe post isithombe, and maybe literally it has got nothing to do with my kids. I am just there doing my shenanigans. And a person will come to my comment section and be like, mother of two, wow, oh mama wabafana, oh mama gazeli nolihle. There is nothing I hate than that because it annoys me to the T. I feel ukuthi those are backhanded comments because it's like a person is saying umuhle but. And another thing is that I am the only one who can make dry jokes about my baby daddy. I am the only person that can talk about my baby daddy. So it's another thing when you're gonna meet me in public in fucking 2026 and ask me about Uthemba, because it feels like to people ngihlangane noThemba and I was a virgin, and azange ngajola Themba was the first guy, he broke my virginity. uThemba ngazi ngayo ukuthola abantwana, ungizalisa umntana wokuqala, ngabuye futhi ngathola umntana wesi2, bese mangiqeda ukuthola lo wesi2 azange futhi ngisaphinde ngijole, ngaloko ngihlele ecansini endumbeni ngikhala namanje ngisakhala. So I feel like people just necessarily because they see that you have healed from certain things in your life and you are a better version, they'll always try to remind you of things that are supposed to trigger you. And that's when you know that you have healed. You understand that? As a mom, it can get stimulating, you understand that, because you have to juggle a lot of things. However, you need to take care of yourself and look after yourself. You cannot be in your 30s looking like you in your 50s. In this day and age esiphila kuzo, abantu abaziyekelelanga abogogo bamapitikoti bagcine ngabogogo bethu noma abomama babomamethu. Mom does not did not own a PT coat. Bekakutshela kahle ukuthi I will never be that gogo. That is why there are terms ezibizwa ukuthi glammy. So don't allow yourself to be lost uzibone ukuthi awusaziboni ukuthi kwenzakalani ngawe. Mina nginomkhaba, mina in angisho abantu ngikhuluma nani ngenzeni ngifake i-waist trainer. Thenga i-waist trainer. Mangabe ubona ukuthi i-waist trainer iyakuhlula, thenga ama-tight baby. Mawugcoka uzokwazi ukuthi uthole le look oyifinayo. Uthenge ama-bra a-right azokuka ibele alibeke lana. You understand? Uzithande, uchine, ufake iwiki, whatever the case might be. Go buy makeup. If umuntu othanda makeup, go buy yourself makeup. Even if you're eating Emma Chinese, baby girl, it is up to you. But ungaziyekeleli, because at the end of the day, we are doing this all for the first time. So whatever you choose to do it for yourself. Do not do it for people, and don't let yourself go. In your monthly budget, where it gukonagala, take 50 rands or 100 rands and have it for mommy date. Mina, I have a monthly budget for mommy dates, and I don't compromise on that. I make sure that I take those out to spend time with myself, because they are very much needed. Learn to live without your kids. Have a life outside of your motherhood journey, because the thing is that bayakhula labantu laba bazoba nama girlfriend wabo or ama boyfriend wabo. Am I supposed to be angry ukuthi uzweli uye ku weekend away ne girlfriend yakhe usipecelezana sengikwatela umntana angisamkhulumisi because azange ngaba ne life mina? Mase ngibona aphila sengiyakwata. That's when the toxicity begins, or rather you find there are parents that want to live their lives through their kids. So don't look at me and be like, how is Mpho doing it? I am just choosing to look at my life differently. I am in my 30s. However, I am not allowing society to project on me. People forgetting ukuthi within ubumama there is an individual. Iyafana lento lena nokuba isangoma uthi wenza so, but hayi isangoma esinjani esenza so. So mina, I stop listening to what people feel and how they think, because those are things ezizokumoshela impilo. Just look out for yourself. Some of these stereotypical things that come from society are sometimes male planted seeds, you understand, to make you feel less of a person. Hi, mauna bantwana awushadeki, maunani awenzeni. Guys, the sooner you decenter patriarchal systems in our community, you start being a liberal queen and you start owning your power and your truth. So impilo ayimanga, guys, iya phambili, iya kubeka. It is your perspective of life that changes everything, and you start with what you have. Mangabu yabona ukuthi you have people within your circle or your friendship circle that make you feel bad for being a mom. Leave those people as soon as you can, because they'll always put you in compromising position. Geza uqinise vaslapu, ube muhle, uzinakekele, uzithengele ashwagandha, and keep it moving. Because at the end of the day, in that and then you're gonna be angry at your kids. That is why uthola kunabantwana abazondwa abazali babo, umuntu understand ukuthi why mina umama angizonda, because we parent from a place of how your pregnancy was. So how you treat your kids, in most cases, you need to look at ukuthi pregnancy yakho beyinjani. I'm not aiming for perfection. However, I want to give my kids the best, you know. Guys, now I'm I also want to chop my nails because polami, and I also broke a nail here, and I feel like they are just brittle. So I kind of feel like it's pointless moving around with amazipho angekho right, and I'll go in for my nails next week. Thenga ama-stick-on if you can see ukuthi yazini I do not afford ukuyenza amazipho mpho and and make use of what you have. Thola ithayithi uminye loyo mkhaba loyo. Mangabe ufila ukuthi umzimba wakho sowutekile, ungathenga nema-body shaper a-nice. Ayikho into engekho, guys, ukuthi nje nina nizibekele phansi senizidecentarile. You know, you are no longer selfish about yourself. It's like ma uyothola loyo mntana loyo ushiye ingqondo yakho lapha esibhedlela, wena wazitshela ukuthi sengumama. So in your head ukuba umama ukulengisa amabele ilanga lonke, ugcoke igawuni estradini namabonnet estradini, kanti that's not what being a mom is about. You understand? And also you teach your kids to understand that umama une life. You understand? Mina, especially boy moms will understand. My boys are like attached to me. They become Velcro babies. Bahlezi bafuna ukhlala banami. Oyi-one makanami nomunye sekayeza. So sometimes nginokubaxosha ngithi, guys, can I please have some space? Like, guys, ngiclaze ngangerela amadoda la endlini. So I feel it's important to have these conversations with yourself and figure out what you want. Tap out of social media standards. You understand that even if it means you're not going out for a sushi date, maybe we are a KFC uyozithengela i-streetwise too nama chips ne coke yakho uzihlalelele ekoneni uconnect Wi-Fi. Do that, my love, as long as you are taking time out to do something for yourself. So they practically look like my natural nails, but I can't wait ukubuyela kuma tips because amazipho wami, they are brittle. So these are all my nails, yeah, but it's just an overlay. These are my nails. So I think my nails are done. Bengisusa nje le red le ela. Ngiyabona usathi ubamba ipen or ball pen amazipho akho angekho right. Ifana nomuntu ofaka i-Cutex echipile. Ayikho into engifrustrate njengale. Kuthi how do you leave the house with your hands looking like that? Ngamane waphuma endlini umane ufake i-nail polish eclear than ukuthi uphume endlini unama Cutex echipile ezandleni or enyaweni. Hi guys, and manje it's summer, so anina choice, you need to do your nails. If awunamali yokwenza amazipho, go get yourself stick-ons or do something. So guys, I'm done with my lashes. I am happy with them. Sengizoyenza lawa next time. Sengizoyenza next time. I still have these ones, so I'm good with that. So lawa benginibonisa wona yilawa vele ngiwathole that time. Sikusele lawa, yabo? Sikusele kancane, like sikusele kancane. So awana ndaba sengenzela ukuthi nje ngibukeke ngibe presentable because kusasa ngiyaqala nama client wami and I'm having virtual consultations, and then the following day it's also virtual consultations, and then Thursday I'm going to the hospice. Friday I think it's more virtual consultation, it's only international clients, and then also yeah, we'll see how the week goes. So let me go get ready guys so that we can go on a date. And just treat me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Guys, I'm done. I just removed my band, so now I'm gonna go. Everything just melted with the lace, and I'm not energy yokuzilungisa. Like I just wanna look good for myself. But I don't want to be too much of something. You kind of get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, ukuthi ngoba nina abantwana niziyekelele ini izinto zokulungisa ikuku zikhona. Stima ikuku faka izinto utsipe leyo kuku because nina nibona ngathi nje nikhohlisa abantu, and uyazi ukuthi ikuku ngoba uyakwazi ukukhipha umuntu phakathi kwayo iyabuyela esimeni ibe right kube ngathi azange. That thing is powerful. Inamandla leyanto leya. Inamandla, so yekelani nje ukumamelana namadoda anikhohlisayo akutshela ukuthi yo ayigrip. Mhlambe senze kanjani? Mhlambe yakhe ayigripeki. Mhlambe ayigripeki. Yashelela. Senze njani? Guys, so I was thinking of wearing these shades. I think it's giving who's that girl? La 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 la. But also I feel like it's too serious because I think ngifuna ama tampons, but I still have a few, but I feel like I'm okay like this. I don't want anything too hectic. Let me put on my earrings and my lipstick, and then we are done. Oh, they look too pink, but they could work. No, I just prefer these ones better. So let me put on my earrings. Khona ngibambile ene lipstick. Guys, sengikhathele ukuphuza amapilisi eflu. Sengiacceptile ukuthi like this is not seasonal, it's just my system. So baba nje uthe ngidle igarlic eningi. So I'm glad I'm not in a relationship ngibhodlela uzweli nolihle. So they are the only ones that are experiencing igarlic leya khona, but ngidla a clove of garlic, you know, and then ngiyenze ginger ne honey. Cause into ngibhorayo is that I'm not coughing. Like angikhohleli, but I have dry nose and throat, and then I'm always cold. You see, that's what bothers me. So I even got this spray, Lacy Flomist. So they say once daily. So I don't know, but I'm gonna use it because even now my nostrils, they are dry. Is it dry? Like in dry. Oh, it's so annoying. So let me finish up, guys, because I ain't getting ready. Because mangihleli nani, so I ain't getting ready, guys. Niyazazi ukuthi ninokuba toxic sometimes, so no, ngicede. So I'll see you just now. Kids.
Age?
7 and 3.
So you are 20?
No.
Younger?
I'm older.
32. On the dot.
On the dot. On the dot.
At least give it a taste before takeaway.
No, it's a very taste of it. I have to taste it first.
Let me give you some.
Okay, thank you so much, Sean. Okay guys, so Ushono give me no, let's have more cocktails. So I'm like, no, I can't have more, I have to go to my kids. He's like, you got kids, you look so good, you know, how many kids do you have? And then I'm like, 2. He's like, no ways, I don't believe you, I'm coming back. So the line aside, the cocktail, and then he's like, you look so good, you don't even have the judgmental guys. I mean, I'm not ashamed to have kids. So this is the fish, right? So I want to try it out. Need a booty. I say look she in nale. Pambi. Guys, my ex introduced me to that spot, La Paya Emong. My ex is from Mozambique. He's Mozambican. So, like, I only went to Mozambique once alone, right? I have never tasted any good seafood in South Africa than the one I've tasted in Moz. And I want to go back again, you know? Ngithi sengizobuyela sengifake i-don't touch sebathi hawu nangumakoti sengithi mama yimina Xikwembu xa yena. So it didn't happen. However, he introduced me to that spot. Who's calling me? There's a call coming in. Okay guys, ilabantu beTombstone that were calling me. Okay, so anyway, so my ex, like, he only eats fish and chicken. So he introduced me to the culture of eating fish. So I appreciate it. So laba guys, they make the best fish you can find. So out of 10, le fish selection guys, I give it a 10. Lo mama lo lapha eMonki ne angazora, have to go and try and buy it and have a nice mukbang for you and show you how good that fish is. So it's bigger. It's, I don't know guys, but this is good because it's a Mozambican restaurant. However, out of 10, I will give this fish 6, and then ngizophalea selokishini a big 9. Manje yazi lo mkhukhu engikhuluma ngawo laphayana eMonki opposite eBakery. Niye laphana eBakery leyana ifish leyana. Ngithi Tuesday uthengisa level yama peanuts futhi kube nyaya mangisuka la. Manje problem yami ukuthi sengisusa yake ngikhona ukudla, but it is giving that one. Ifish benza ngama peanuts and coconut milk because it's so good. And then they have fried fish. So you can go and try it out yourself. If angazi mele bayenze i-Uber Eats or something. But lana kuqala belunga kakhulu nama couple achithayo. Nothing serious. So let me finish my cocktail guys. I'm gonna take this home. However, I must say their rice is very good. Like guys, mawuke wa taste nje i-rice yasemaputo, i-rice nje yaseMozambique angazi mina bayifakani. There's no rice that I've tasted in South Africa. There's no fish that I've tasted in South Africa. However, laphayana luyamkhukhu loya, the fish is giving. And also Moz Daily, we have Moz Daily. Moz Daily does also nice fish. I do like their fish. I do go, but ngithanda mina yabona la kunehlakaraga khona esiphithipithini. Those are the places that I enjoy the most. And then yeah, I'm good. Thank you Sean. Thank you. But the dirtier the place, the nicer the food. Lapana Lucian is don't understand anything you sorry, but I'm done. I'm gonna now have my cocktail and then we are signing out. Oh guys, and the music here is like giving Mozambican Portuguese vibes. So mina, because ngizwayele umuntu ambeka khuluma i-English and Portuguese phela, isiZulu vele angasazi. Bekathi Bronqueo Santar Masundar, but that was him. Oh, it was so sexy. So anyway guys, I'm having a last bite and then I'm finishing off my cocktail and then we'll have a chat in a bit.
You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide. Yo, other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave the side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet. All the things we try, and let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life? Cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You're a real ass woman and I like it. Yeah. I need you inspired, I need you excited, I don't wanna fight. Yeah. I figure out you figure out me, we both a different breed. I'm following your lead, I ask you what you need, you say guaranteed. I mean, you say that like it's easy. You you never believe me. Told ya I got keys for these other girls sleeping on them, girl, I'm sleepy. Sometimes I'm so indecisive, but you're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight it.
I'm home. Hey loves, I'm back home. Today was a beautiful day. On my way back, I got some KFC for the kids, and yeah, I had a really beautiful day, I must say. Today was just everything filled with everything, and I just wanted to say to you as a mom, if you're going to be watching this vlog, is that some time out or some time to yourself is not a bad decision. It is good for your overall mental health, your well-being as a person. You need to remember yourself, remind yourself of yourself. Mozambique was a very beautiful restaurant. Remember guys, I said to you that my appetite is very limited. I literally eat once in a day, right? My appetite has been suppressed. So I remembered, Uguti, this phytocollagen that I'm taking, it has got this. You see this? Weight loss ntontoni. And I think that is what is suppressing my appetite, because I am not doing any vigorous, diet, or I'm really not in that space, but I just can feel like I can feel that I'm feeling right. It's like I've went through a gastric bypass. I don't know what the hell. So like a few bites of something, I'm full. I know myself. I love food. I can eat from the morning, afternoon, and then easy food soup. But right now, one meal goes a long way for me, and I can't eat in the morning because I'm not a breakfast person, However, can I please get a drink so that we can just close this vlog? Hold up. Hey mom, so never feel bad for doing anything for yourself. Always put yourself first. I know it can be hard to be selfless when to be selfish when you're a parent, but having a life outside of your kids is very important. Also, remembering that you are an individual is very important. It also took me a while, because I would be that person which, even if when I'm out I feel or when you're out on a date, you're thinking about ordering for more food, for me and my mom. But I feel like the switch happened for me when I lost my mom, and it's not that I've dissented my kids or anything like that, but I've developed a healthy relationship so that I am also not codependent on their existence, because lento bengisho ukuthi bayakhula labantu laba. Bayakhula, uzoba umama obitha ongafuni nje ukubona i-progress because ubambelele abantwaneni bakho. Abantu abaningi bahleli emakibo, abazali babo baze bashonile. They've never experienced life to some sort because abazali have put them in a cage. It's okay to let the kids leave the nest. That's how it's designed, that it is. So it's home is a nest, let them leave home, go there, I'm a pig of VT, come back to the nest and all of that, instead of you trying to hold on to them. Sekahlala nomfazi wakhe nolihle hlala nomfazi wakhe, because mina I am refusing ukuthi uyangiunderstand abahlala nami leso sikhathi sengihlala ku cottage, or maybe I don't want that. I want to step into my 40s being sexy, being glamorous, and most of all being healthy. Anyway, I think everything has got divine timing, because by the time I'm my mom's age, really will be my age right now. You understand that? And then Alicia obviously was a mover. So I feel like everything for me, it's good. I'm happy with where it is. Although at some point I wish everything, I wish it happened sooner. But there's nothing wrong. And if you're watching this and you are child free, there's nothing wrong. But the only problem I have, so try as much as you can that uba nabangani aba-understandayo ukuba umama, aba-understandayo abantwana, because at some point uzothi uyovakashela umuntu, hayi ongabambi lapho, ngifuna bantwana la, or in mina I leave those spaces. There was a lady that used to do my nails. We were very good friends, you understand that? But bekangathanda abantwana. And at that time, I'm one of her biggest clients, and I can't leave my child with anybody until ngaze ngayekwenza amazipho lapha. So it's the little things, man, guys, ezikwenza ukuthi urealize ukuthi abantu sometimes abanganabo abantwana bayakwazi ukwenza ukuthi ufile ukuthi wena, because unabantwana, you've lost value, you're not important or anything. If bekune prize, kune medal, kube saza ngo enigma. So like I said, zithandeni, geza, thenga izinto ezikwenza ube nice, ungagobholozi uziyekelele, so ufaka ama night dress, ama fast coat, so wenzani, tholi tight ezothi imunye nje wonke umkhaba kahle, and then ikhiphe impundu ithi pe, you understand, ube na i-body shape iyenzele leyo. Ningabi under pressure, guys, nifuna ukuzenza ama fitness bani, nibone ngathi mina ngintshela into ezi-practical. Don't fall for social media gimmicks, you understand? Like amongst everything else, don't fake. Once you start being true to yourself, once you start being authentic to yourself, and you have nothing to prove to anybody, Sana, life becomes such a beautiful space to be in, because you are not competing with anybody, you are not pressured by anything, you are simply in your midst, in your energy, living your best life. So I say, go back today. If you watch this vlog and uyabona ukuthi so mama ugive up ile, sitshele ukuthi if umnganami umpho, she could do this with 2 kids. Angisho bangibiza ngemother of 2. If umother of 2 if umother of 2 could do this even after everything she's gone through, mina ngizohlula yini kunabantu abantwana abayi-5, 6, 7, 8, abogogo bethu bebanabantwana abayi-11. So I don't understand this shaming ekhona ukuthi unabantwana I don't understand ukuthi ibuya kuphi. And as women, you understand ukuthi amadoda ayadisappointana all the time, we understand that. So it's just people that have centered men nje abaveli babe naleyo mentality leyo. We are thriving, raising our kids, asihluphi umuntu, siyayiphushela nje, siyayishelelela nje kamnandi. Abantu mababona ukuthi uright, upholile, ukhulile, bazofuna ukukuhlezi bakubeke endaweni la bona ibenze bafeel better about themselves, and remind you of a past that helped you grow or triggered your growth. So mina ngizokhuluma vele ngalizelishwana, angazi ukuthi sekukhuluma mina or ukukhuluma imargarita. There's nothing close to imargarita la nefridini, but I'll just stick to my baby. When you have a day off to yourself, asithi yehlisa marketing, wenza mawashini, uwenzeni, your day to yourself is your day to yourself. If utholi chance uyogroova, sana groova ushone phansi ube ngaka, you understand, ube ngaka, uphume uphethe icathulo ngezandla, bazokujaja mabakujaja kubara uzabu enjoyile, because at the end of the day, le ndlela esikuyo le asiya noma ubani, ukuba umzali, kuba umama, ukukhulisa umuntu, it is a calling. Yonke into inobizo lalo. So labantwana bakho laba onabo bawubizo because they chose you. Ungasawari ukuthi ubani uthini inini, as long abantwana ba right, ba yonke into right. So mina ngiyamthanda, guys. Let me go and rest. Ngigeza ama babies wami. They're almost home, and then Sunday, so I just need to go rest. They say relax, and then guys, and then I'll probably upload this vlog if but guys, take care of yourselves and your loved ones. And Mina, mommies, I love you and I appreciate you. You are strong, you are powerful. Carrying a person for over 240 plus minus days, a snip up in place. Ukulisa a species inside your body is snip up in place, and then almost species melusizale whether usizere or uyazala naturally melusincedise melo usitrain ukuthi wena siyadla siyakaka siyavuka. Guys, ziyabuya kwa motherhood. So zishayela uthi mfazi ngisebenzile, and then ngeke mhlambe sobangena chani happiness uyazenzela. Live your life. Stop caring about what people think about you. You see, once you develop a thick skin and you understand ukuthi sonke siyophelela ecebo lethu, the better. Do what works for you. Apply what works for you. Yekela abantu bahlezi bala umuntu loyo. Focus on yourself. Glow up. Lesama le ngifuna ukubona nikhipha amathanga esoma dress, ngifuna ukusendile emntaneni inyawo eziglowayo, ngifuna ukuthi ningise. All right? Ngiyanithanda guys. Bye.
In my life, I won't leave.